Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change wallpaper in laptop. So let's get started. So to change wallpaper in laptop, what you have to do is just simply right click on your screen. So you can right click anywhere, and after doing that, now you will find this pop-up options. So from here you just have to tap on personalize, and inside your personalize now you just have to tap on background. And after tapping on background, you will come up to this page. From here, you can change your background wallpaper. So now in order to change your wallpaper, what you have to do is just simply tap on picture. And from here, you can select any one of those options. So this is the picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows, spotlight. So by selecting Windows Spotlight, window will automatically change your wallpaper. So you can just simply select this option. By selecting slideshow, you can just simply add a slideshow, means you can just simply change your image in your Windows background, which means you can change your Windows background image whenever you like. So every 1 minute it will be changed, or you can just simply customize that option by tapping on these options. So just simply select one and you will change your wallpaper every minute or every 3 minutes if you want. So this was the slideshow, and this is the solid color. So by selecting solid colors, you can select any solid color that you want in your background. For example, I would like to add orange, and after adding that, you can see my background color has been changed. So you can do this. So this is a solid color, and the first one is picture. So by selecting picture, you can browse any picture. You can add your customized picture that you want. So by tapping on browse photo, now you can just simply select any photo or image that you want to add. Currently I don't have any, but if you have, then what you can do is just simply select it and then tap on choose picture. So after tapping on choose picture, the image will be added over here. From here you can just simply select the image and that will be added to your background. So just simply select this option and you can simply change your background wallpaper. So that's it guys, this is how to change wallpaper in laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.